Hi guys, we are in Bristol! Hey guys, we're in Bristol.
Ginagawa mo!
We're actually just trying out Karen's ano na naman?
Hindi mo
Osmo.
sasabihin.
Hindi to sa kanya, akin pala to. Bristol, Bristol. Di ba literal nga to kami Igbawan Tower? Rapunzel yarn. Flowers scream and glow. Let your power shine. Kay Rapunzel manag. Kinot naka-subject track kay ano di ako aside. Paano pag off it subject track?
You do this to off the subject track.
And then
You do this to start and stop recording.
mission 2. Osmo, Osmo.
Ulit, paano?
Nakasapatos pa yan siya.
Naka-subject tracking ka na naman.
Bakit gusto mo sa akin?
Favorite ka ta camera. Ay, di rin ngayon ni ako na camera. Ewan ngayon ni camera.
Pwede nga ako kay Damananakgas. One of the various things that I've noticed with Camper Stuff is they continue in developing their site. In comparison to when we came here in 2022 with my classmates and friends, akong pinagbangon Camper Stuff. Right now, meron na silang park that features characters from various movies and series on Netflix. Kagaya nito, na hindi pala siya dinosaur, si Godzilla pala yan, it's fucking Godzilla. Ba 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 la la potato na tugali no potato ni gani baluba ni kano ji ba 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 la na di man dingle ga ba ito tiyata kukuha ko chi kukuha ko pero yun lang, since it's not the peak season of resorts, medyo waray maintenance sa Nira Park. Pero namumula yan pa man. Tapos, mag-enjoy ka man gihapon, especially if ini mo mga upod, nag-enjoy gihapon. Oo. Ato yun, mga politiko.
Big press lang yan.
Wogs. Wow! Yeah. Mano? Politiko yarn. Dragon. Hala, may dinosaur na nag-aamrin. Hi, Dino. Aside din mga park, may gihapon dagat ang Camper Stuff, which is a fine black sand beach. They also have a replica of the Eiffel Tower in the beachfront, which they are famous for. Sugad kita lang. Oh, nag-sunbathing talaga yan sila. Na para bang hindi ito siya mag-pictorial.
Hello!
Puro na nila chessboard nga daw. Dito. Look at here. Later ko na may dakoan. Fire dance.
Let's watch later.
Yeah. Makadto na kami pool. Magpo-pool na kami. Yes! May pool gihapon ng Camper Stuff. Something warirahan las ako nga kumadi. Pero bagat na ihana din, ikaw may tanga na Facebook. Ayan! Hello! Come here! Come here na.
Hello.
Ay, sudo ba ang match? Goy! Adjoy, ayaw ito!
Ano yan? We're done swimming! Ikaw na naman ang nakikita.
Nag-street food yung Optimus Prime. On break. Hey. Habot ni Camper Stuff, may da barangay road na siya danay, may mga naagi na vendor. Adi kuya nagbabaligyan fishball. Or kanina, may umagi na malunggay, cheese, pandesal. Palit na ka mo. Tagsing ko na. Sana all. Grabe malunggay, cheese, pandesal. Bagat nationwide trend ba yan? Dito na muna kami sa gilid. Heart.
Hindi lang marang kung nakikita. Ano ba? Kasi ako truck. A flower
right
through the crowd, and now I'm trying to get back.
before the cool down run out. I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing gonna stop me like the lines of illusion. I reckon it's a thing.
My turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more.
It cannot be. I'm yours.
Dani naman every Saturday kung maupay panahon, Camp Bristoff hold performances which we were lucky to have witnessed during our stay there while having our dinner. And the food was a 10 out of 10 for me. Medyo mabugot na yung bursa kay, short, pero Dani man dito.